Right, greetings from Torona Park. Where are you, Sammy? Come and say hello.
Hi. Sorry.
So Torona Park is a big park at the top of Colombia. It's all the Colombian jungle, and it is all linked to the Caribbean Sea. But the only way to get to the Caribbean Sea is a 3-hour hike through the jungle. So we have
2 hours.
backpacks, and you think you're going to do it. Sam reckons she's going to do it in 2 hours. Let's wait and see. So we're just off to 3 hours through the jungle, and amazingly, at the other end, we'll find the Caribbean Sea and allegedly some of the best beaches in the world. Anyway, sounds like hard work. It's 33 degrees.
Let's see how Scottish Steve does it.
Yeah, we'll see how Steve gets on, given how much Steve drank last night. Right, over and out. So here we are at the entrance of Tayrona National Park. It's hot.
It's fucking hot.
It's really hot. Over in the back is Steve and Dimpner. Realising they now need hats. Luckily we brought hats with us. And yeah, we're going to walk up there and eventually go into the jungle. Steve, could you just show off the hat? That's a good hat. That's a good day, mate. Right, so here we are in Tayrona Park. As you can see, we are literally in the middle of the jungle, and we're a bit confused because we were told by the lady we first came in that the walk to the first beach is about an hour, but then some men who are trying to sell us a horseback tour have just told us that the actual walk is
2 hours 40 minutes.
about 2 hours 40 minutes, but we think that might be the sales pitch by the horse guys. Tiempo, Ricardo, 50 minutes.
And it's very difficult bad.
Okay, so look at the sign.
I don't know.
Distance 3.2 kilometres. That's all right, that's an hour.
Is that what you want?
That's an hour at our normal rate.
Okay, let's do
That's
it.
an hour, so let's crack on. But yeah, jungle trekking in 33 degree heat. And well, I'll update you if and when we ever find what are supposed to be the most magnificent beaches on the Caribbean. Right, okay. This is oh my God. This is proper walking through the jungle. Anyway, we've just spoken to a man. He's confirmed that it's only an hour and a half in tropical heat, going through. Oh my God! Whoa!
Lucky you didn't just wear your flip-flops, so lovely.
Yeah, this is not flip-flop place to go, is it? So, when I was last talking to you, we were about an hour into our journey. We went another hour at least walking through the jungle, which was exhausting. However, I think you'd agree it was worth the walk. This is the Caribbean on the Colombian coast. Amazing. There we've got the Colombian proper jungle, the rainforest on the northern coast as it comes into the Caribbean Sea, and dotted along you have some of these amazing beaches. The contrast between the literal jungle up there. Here's the beaches down there. It's amazing.
Right. No one's going home dry, yeah? Sam, you want to visit?
Yeah, she's a racist when you put it
At least you're hiding. my wee myself do. Yeah, exactly. Why did we rush on? Why are we not? Yeah.
Nie, to w ogóle będzie fajsze.
I'm feeling it all. Yeah.
La mamá dijo que sí, pero estaba preguntándole porque tiene permiso.
So just in case anybody's wondering why it's called a rainforest, well, so this is one day, beautiful sunshine earlier through the through the rainforest. It was nice, and we've got back this afternoon or early evening. Yeah, this is why it's called a rainforest.